Hi, this is Shelley Kraft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the Growth Capital Expo in Las Vegas 2014. I'm with Rob Ladd, MGT Capital Investments, symbol MGT on the NYSE. Rob, welcome to SNNLive.
Appreciate it. Thank you very much, Shelley. I'm happy to be here.
It's good to have you. Let's get right into it. Let's get an overview on the company. Please tell our audience about MGT.
We run multiple online gaming sites, both real money and social casinos. I think you might know about the daily fantasy sports business. It's a very large business. We own the number 4 player called Draft Day. It's a business where we take a piece of every bet. It's Bet Daily Fantasy Sports. And we also have a website that allows you to play other skill-based games for money, including billiards and Yahtzee and several other games. So in summary, we're online gaming, real money though, and legal in the US.
Those are two very important factors. Legal is most important. Here's my question. Why do people say that the gaming industry is hot? Why? What's behind the scenes on that?
They must not be looking at our stock then, because I don't know exactly the heat. I think the valuations, if you look at other public companies, and one problem is we don't have many peers, but the bigger social gaming companies like King that just went public, or Zynga, for example, they've had kind of one-hit wonders. Their stocks have very high valuations, although analysts tend to be skeptical. The other gaming space, the regulated gaming space, is licensed to print money, and it's a very nice business. We fit into a space that isn't that exploited by public companies. There are public companies that are owners of these businesses that you might not know. The largest company, FanDuel, which we understand is looking at something over $100 million in valuation, is partly owned and funded by Comcast. Barry Diller's company, Interactive, bought the number 2 player called Draft Street. Number 3 player just raised $25 million on a $50 million valuation. So I think we represent a hidden way to play a market that's very hot, certainly in the private market, and ideally we'll have results over the next several months that will have investors paying attention.
Now, you're in the U.S.
We're in New York, New York Stock Exchange company, domiciled in Delaware, fully reporting. And we have no offshore operations. We don't need offshore operations. The areas that we compete in are legal. Skill-based gaming in general is legal in the U.S. For example, if you're at a carnival and you want to throw a ball into or a coin into a dish, legal. Might be hard, but it's skill-based and it's legal. You can win a prize, you can win money. Same thing, fantasy sports got carved out of the bill that killed poker, the 2006 Unlawful Internet Gaming Enforcement Act. That bill carved out fantasy sports. So we're operating in 45 states under a legal exemption to illegal gambling. On the skill-based side, the fact that you compete against someone else to win money, again, per se not illegal, if it's skill-based. If it's on the roulette wheel or some cards being dealt, then it's heavily regulated, and illegal where you're not regulated. So I think investors don't know that, and maybe I kind of gloss over that in the beginning. And when they see this, they say, well, how can that be legal? Or, you know, where in Gibraltar are you, or whatever. And the truth is, this is, again, under current regulations, fully legal activity. And it's, I think, an area that...
There aren't many of you. There really aren't. I mean...
Of me or MGT?
No, well, both probably, you know, unless you have a twin or you're a triplet. But in reality, you know, when you listen to your story, that the legal thing comes in, being in the U.S. is in, that's why I'm kind of honing in on it. Because there is a discrepancy in investors' minds that you stand out because you are U.S. legal. That's ladies and gentlemen. I want to get the website out there. I want to get a last comment from you. Then I want to give the website. Let's drive some traffic to find out more about the company.
All right. Well, I think you should go to our website. We have a great link to a video that you'll see is professionally produced by our own employees that will give you a very quick view of the quality of our offerings. And in addition, we'll have the presentation that we most recently gave at this conference. And I think your first question will be, why are they only a $12 million company? But we're listed, and we have no debt. We have cash. So I encourage people to look. Sunshine is good for us.
So let's get that website out there.
www.mgtci.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, Rob Ladd, MGT Capital Investments. That's where the CI comes from.
Yes.
MGT on the NYSE. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive. We're coming to you from the Growth Capital Expo in Las Vegas 2014. Rob, very interesting story. Thank you very much.